Welcome back, witches, seekers, and wanderers, to One Witch's Walk. I'm Jennifer Morris, your guide on this sacred journey through the cards, the seasons, and the magic of every day. Today is day 4, and we are stepping into the energy of the Waning Gibbous Moon, a time to release, reflection, and restoration. Our theme for today is returning to the body. In the deep stillness of winter, we are reminded that our bodies are temples, sacred vessels that carry us through this life. This is a day to honor your body, to rest without apology, and to treat stillness as active magic. Let's explore together. Welcome to January 4th. The moon is a waning gibbous moon. The season is deep winter. The theme is returning to the body, and the priestess anchor is the returning body. The priestess anchor for today is the returning body. What does that mean? It's about coming home to yourself, to your physical form, and treating your body as the sacred temple that it is. In a world that often glorifies productivity and busyness, it can feel radical to rest, to slow down, to simply be. But rest is not laziness, it's ritual. Stillness is not passive, it's devotion. For me, returning to the body has a powerful reminder to listen to my body's wisdom. I shared before about that story of knowing when I push my body too far, I tend to find myself battling with illness. So what I have done recently is pay attention to when my body needs to eat, when my body needs to sleep, when my body is excited and wants to move. It's good to have a contact with your body. When I need rest, I take it. When I need that stillness, I allow myself to pause in the moment and see the stillness. So today, let's anchor ourselves in this truth, that our bodies are not behind schedule. They are keeping sacred time. Let's talk about our invocation today. Let's ground ourselves in today's invocation. If you are able, close your eyes. If you're driving or multitasking, remember to just let these words flow through you. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, and relax. And with each breath we take in completely, hold it for a couple of seconds, and then slowly release it all the way out and hold that for a couple of seconds. Go ahead and plant your roots. See them coming out of the bottoms of your feet. They can come out slowly, they can come out quickly, as long as you're comfortable with the movement and you feel that groundedness that you get when your roots plant deep in the soil. And as we continue to breathe, let's say the first invocation. I return to my body as a temple. Rest is ritual. Stillness is devotion. Say it with me if you can. I return to my body as a temple. Rest is ritual. Stillness is devotion. Good. Take another nice deep breath in. Hold, let it out. Completely, slowly, hold. And let's say it again together. I return to my body as temple. Rest is ritual. Stillness is devotion. Feel the power of those words. Feel yourself coming home to your body. Feel your fingers and your toes. Honor it as a sacred space. This is the energy we carry with us today. So for our guidance, today's card says, your body is not behind schedule. It is keeping sacred time. How often do we feel like our bodies are failing us or that we're not doing enough, fast enough? But what if we reframed that narrative? What if we trusted that our bodies are always working in alignment with sacred timing? When we honor our body's need for rest, we align ourselves with the rhythms of nature. Just as Earth rests in winter, so too are we invited to slow down, to restore, to return to ourselves. So today I invite you to release any guilt or shame around rest. Trust that your body knows what it needs and give yourself permission to honor that wisdom. Breathe and think with that for a moment. Trust that your body knows what it needs and give yourself permission to honor that wisdom. That feels good, doesn't it? Our witch's practice today is to help us embody returning to the body. We are going to learn to rest without apology, to treat stillness as active magic. This might look different for everyone. For some, it might mean taking a nap or spending a few extra minutes in bed. For others, it might mean sitting quietly with a cup of tea or simply pausing to breathe deeply. Whatever rest looks like for you, do it without apology. And as you rest, remember that stillness is not empty. It is full of magic. It is in the stillness that we restore, that we reconnect, that we return to ourselves. If you feel called, journal about your experience. What did it feel like to rest without apology? What insights arose in the stillness? Our spell work focus is embodiment and restoration. So let's talk about this, embodiment and restoration. These are the keys to returning to the body. When we embody our physical form, we honor it as sacred. When we focus on restoration, we allow ourselves to heal and renew. Here is a simple spell you can try today. Find that comfortable, quiet place where you can lie down or sit. Light a candle or some incense, something that feels grounding and soothing to you. Place your hands on your body, your heart, your belly, or whatever feels right. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath. And continue to take these slow, deep breaths. With each inhale, imagining yourself drawing in the healing energy. And with each exhale, release the tension, stress, or anything that no longer serves you. So as we breathe in, imagine ourselves drawing in healing energy. And as we exhale, release the tension, stress, or anything that no longer serves you. Speak this affirmation. I honor my body as sacred. I allow myself to rest and restore. I am whole. I am enough. I am home. Let's say that again. I honor my body as sacred. I allow myself to rest and restore. I am whole. I am enough. I am home. One more. I honor my body as sacred. I allow myself to rest and restore. I am whole. I am enough. I am home. When you are ready, blow out the candle or the incense and carry this sense of embodiment and restoration with you throughout the day. Take a moment to just be here. In closing, I want to thank you for joining me on day 4 of One Witch's Walk. Today we've explored the sacred act of returning to the body, honoring rest as ritual, stillness as devotion, and our bodies as temples. I'd love to hear how this practice resonates with you. Did you notice any shifts today when you rested without apology? Feel free to share your reflections with me, either here on the platform, in the comments, or in our Facebook group. And if you are not wanting to say it publicly, you are welcome to message me directly. Tomorrow, we will continue our journey with the next card. Until then, honor your body, trust its wisdom, and know that you are exactly where you are meant to be. Blessed be, and I'll see you tomorrow.